Hey guys, so today I got these new squishies which I wanted to show you guys because they're really cool and so squishy. So yeah, let me show you them. So the first one I got is this chocolate butter bar. It smells like butter and it's really sticky, really sticky. So yeah, I got that one. And then the next one I got was this cheese squishy. It's a tiny one. It's really nice. It's really squishy. It's so soft. Okay. And then the last one I got, which is my favorite, is this little dog toast. And I'm gonna show you it. I got it a couple hours ago, but I just put it back in the box so I could show you guys. Ooh. Come on, hold on. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it is so cute. It's all bread, it's all rising, and the top is so smooth, and it has this little paw right there. I'm gonna show you how to squish it. I don't want to ruin you, but look how slow rising that is. It takes forever to go back. Okay, like that. And you squish it. I don't want to rip it, that's the thing. It's my favorite squishy that I have. Guys, if you guys want to know, that is my squishy collection and my rarest Pokemon card. I have a whole Pokemon collection. It's I have more than 100. It's really big. Okay. What's my clay? Clay. That's my favorite movie. Yeah. That my chair. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Sorry, not bye guys. I have that little thing over there. Okay, now bye guys.